main theme behind this merge sort algorithm is as follows. Divide the data into two halves. Sort the two divisions by recursively applying merge sort to them. Merge two divisions into a single sorted list. For example, let us assume that if we happen to have an array with 8 elements, first we'll divide that one into two halves, that is 4 elements. And the first 4 element is further divided into two halves of two elements. And then again these two elements are further divided into one element, but however one element itself is sorted, so nothing has to be done for array with one element. So now when we come up, so the two elements, we compare them and sort them into ascending order. Again next two elements, we sort them into ascending order. These two and that two, they are merged, and a total 4 elements of sorted list will be created. When it comes to the right hand side 4, that 4 is further divided into two halves, and those each two half is further divided into one element, but one element is sorting, one element is there is no meaning, that itself is sorted. Now the two elements will be merged and a sorted two element list will be created, and the remaining two elements also will be compared and so created a ascending order list, and these two and that two are added, and combined 4 elements of sorted list will be created. And this first 4 which is sorted, and that the last 4 which is again sorted, they will be merged to get a total merged list of 8 elements. This is the basic concept behind merge sorting. In the following slides, we will have the merge sorting function, and followed by that we have a demonstration of merge sorting program, how it really works. We assume that the merge sort function is called from the main program. First argument for this function is the address of the array which contains the elements to be sorted. And the next argument is the starting index of the array elements which we want to sort, and the third argument is the last index of the array elements which we wanted to sort, and the fourth is a pointer to a integer array which we wanted to use for temporary operation sake. So this we normally call as a scratch array. So we assume that this is also sent from the main program. Of course, the same thing can be created in the merge sort function or merge function also, not a problem. In the merge sort function, if first is equal to last, which means that the array contains only one element, we need not require to do anything. We don't require to sort anything. We just simply return. Otherwise, we calculate the index of the mid element by first plus last by 2, and then first half, starting from first to mid, and the second half mid plus 1 to last, they will be sorted by calling the merge sort function recursively. After that, merge array function will be called to merge this half and that half. The merge array function takes the address of the data array and first element index, mid element index, last element index, and also the address of the temporary array which can be used for scratching operations to store temporary elements. The first while loop will compare the elements of both the hops and they will be copied to temporary array. The last for loop will copy the sorted or merged array to original array A from the temporary or scratch array. In the following slides, we'll try to demonstrate how merge array function works. We assume that for the merge array, the array A is sent and 0, 3, 7 is sent. 0 value is the first value, mid value is 3 and the last element index value is 7. And also we have sent temp, that is the address of the temporary array, scratch array. I value thus becomes 0, j value is 4, L value is 0. Basically, the source array contains two subarrays which are already sorted. That is 2, 6, 9, 9. That's one subarray which is already sorted, and then 4, 5, 7, 8. That's also which is already sorted. Now this merge array function is supposed to merge these things and create a total 8 elements sorted array. How it works, we'll demonstrate in the following slides. The first element of the first half 2 is copied into temporary array as 2 is less than 4. The first element of the second array, second half, that is 4, is copied into temporary array as 4 is less than 6. The second element of the second half, that is 5, is copied into the temporary array as it is less than 6. Now the second element of the first half, that is 6, is copied into temporary array as it is less than 7 of the second half. Now 7 of the second half is copied into the temporary array as it is less than 9. 8 of the second half is copied into the temporary array as it is less than 9. By this, all the elements of the second half are available now in the temporary array. Thus, the first while loop becomes false in the merge array function. The first half still contains some more elements. They are 9, 9. They will be now copied into the temporary array with the help of the second while loop. The last for loop of the merge array function, it copies the content of the temporary array into the source array such that source array contains the merged elements. The following slides gives a visual demonstration of how merge sorting works with a 16 element data. These are the numbers which we wanted to sort using merge sorting concept. Just for the sake of ease of explanation, we are taking 16 elements, which is 2 to the power of 4. Otherwise, merge sorting is applicable for any number of elements. The heights of the bars indicate the value. We wanted to maintain all these values into an ascending ordered array or values. That is, the bars finally has to come into ascending order. For the sake of clarity, we are taking the bars with different colors. We already explained in the previous slides that the merge sorting uses divide and conquer procedure. That is, the total elements are divided into two halves, and the two halves are further divided into halves and vice versa. Now, at the deepest level, we are considering two elements. So that is a set of two adjacent elements we are taking, and if they are already in ascending order, we do nothing. We just maintain them as it is. In this case, the two bars what we are taken, they are already in the ascending order. We need not require to exchange them. These two bars are also in ascending order already. Thus, we need not require to sort them. Now, we are interested to merge the first two elements. They are sorted, and second two elements, they are also sorted. That is, we wanted to merge these two, and resulting list will be in the ascending order. Incidentally, for our benefit, all the elements are already in the all these four elements, they are in the ascending order itself. We need not require to do much of operations. That's how the first four elements are got sorted into ascending order. Now these two elements are required to be sorted. Incidentally, they are already in the ascending order. We need not do anything with these two numbers. These two numbers are two bars are required to be sorted into ascending order. As the first bar is higher than the second bar, they will be exchanged such that they will be in the ascending order. Now these four, rather I say this two and that two, they are merged to get a resultant array or elements of sorted order. Merging takes place. This is the merged elements. Now the recent four and the previous four sorted elements or sorted bars are merged together, and thus we get all the 8 bars in the sorted order. These two elements will be now sorted. Now these two elements will be sorted. Now the current two and the previous two elements will be merged such that the resulting four elements will be in the ascending order. Now these two elements will be sorted. Now these two elements will be sorted. This two and the previous two, they are merged to get merged array of four elements. Now the last four and the before four elements for the last four elements, they are merged to get a sorted elements of 8 elements. Now the first 8 sorted elements and the last 8 sorted elements will be merged to get a total sorted array. Like this, merge sorting will divide the array into